Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Victor. In this video, I will be showing you how you can make more money using your Binance app, how you can earn more using your Binance app without doing any technical analysis, without trading on spot or futures, but you will still make more money. So stay to the end so that you see what I'm going to show you. We make videos like this to show you how you can make more money online while working from home. And before we go on, I would like to say that the content in this video should be taken for informational purposes, and you should not take it for legal or investment or financial advice. So what I would say is that you should do your own research and do what is right. So for you to be able to earn or to make money from your Binance app, what you will first need to do is to make sure that you fund your account, and you can fund your account from the P2P, or you transfer a coin from another wallet to your Binance wallet. So if you don't know how to buy a coin from P2P, in one of my previous videos, I'll leave the link to the description, or I will leave the link to the video in the description box below, so that you watch how you can buy from P2P. So after buying or funding your account, what you need to do is to come to this place that says Binance Hand. Binance Hand section is loaded with different types of investment model that you can choose from. So we have different types of investments that I can do. For example, this place is guaranteed, this place is high yield, and this place is auto invest. For this auto invest, what happens there is that you would be investing certain amount of coin, either daily, weekly, or monthly. You can, like, for example, now let us check out the first one that says BNB. And if you notice, it has a longer time period of investment. So it says auto invest. So you can invest either daily, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. So that is what the auto invest is for. So if you are not looking for a long-term investment, you can choose from other plans that is on Binance. So that is what I'm going to be explaining to you today. So you come to Binance N, and as you can see, these are the coins that you can invest in. We have a lot of them, and this is the estimated APY that you'll be getting on those coins, and this is the duration of those coins. So wherever you see wherever you see flexible, it shows that you can invest in the coin today, and also you can decide to stop the investment today or anytime you wish, and that is why we are having flexible. So other ones are a fixed period of time, like 7 days, 60 days, 30 days, 90 days, and so on, even 3, 4, 5 years, depending on how you can stay. So if you have a lot of money that you want to invest in, you can invest in those longer time frame, so that you'll be able to earn more. Now, what you do is that you scroll down to where it says savings. So you click on savings, you click on go to savings, and here is going to show you more coins that you can invest in. Please note that for you to be able to subscribe to any of this coin, you must have the particular coin in your spot wallet. So if you're having USDT, ensure that you have changed to any of the coins that you want to choose from here. So If you are looking for a particular coin, for example, you can say vet. What you need to do is to come up here and use the search box and search for the coin you want to invest in. So let us search for vet, for example. Let us search for vet. There's a reason I'm choosing vet first. So as you can see on vet here, vet will give you 0.83 APY. That is, you earn 0.83% on the vet that you have subscribed to. Apart from that, you will also be getting VTHO. You'll be getting 2.25% of VTHO. Now let us go into it and see what I'm talking about. So as you can see here, this is where you enter the amount or the quantity of vet you want to invest in, and this place will show you the subscription date, and it's going to show you when you will start getting your interest. And this is the coin you're going to be getting if you invest in vet. Let us now enter a particular amount and see what you'll be getting, because you will see how much you're going to earn on those coins. So let's enter a particular amount now, so let us say, for example, I am investing 500 vet. So I'll be getting this amount of vet per day. That is, I'll be getting this amount of vet, that is 0.01 vet per day, and I'll also be getting 0.03 VTHO per day. So that is how you continue to earn until you have stopped your investment. So that is one of those coins that you can invest in and get more returns. So here we have locked. In those in that part, you would only be able to invest in your coin for a fixed period of time. So as you can see here, you see AXS. AXS is you only have 7 days, that's the minimum, and you also have 15 days. So as you scroll down, you see different days that has been stated for you to invest. For example, if you're investing in fund, for example, you can either invest 14 days, 30 days, or 60 days. And when you do that, your coin will be locked for that period of days, and you will also earn up to 45% APY on your coin. So you also have other uh, coins that you can invest in, or other mode of investment, like this lock staking, like liquid swap, where you provide liquidity. If you provide liquidity using this option, you'll be earning on the transaction fees or gas fees that people are trading on. So you'll be able to make more money through that. Although there's something called impermanent loss, and impermanent loss happens here on this liquid swap if you, for example, are investing in a coin that is not stable coin. You are investing in coin like heads, like BTC, or like any other coin that is volatile. What happens is, if those coins should drop, the value of your coin will also drop. So if you are going to provide liquidity, or if you are going to invest in this liquidity swap, I would say you should go for stable coin like USDT and DAI and so on and so forth. So you also have lock staking and DeFi staking. So you can decide to invest in any of these and also continue to make more money. So if you have given you value in this video, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please click on the bell icon to turn on the notification, so that as soon as you drop new videos, new content, you will be the first person to get on those content and make use of them. So thank you very much for watching this video. I'll be seeing you in the next video.